Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unlock your phone and open Google Pay because time is money. Verify you're on the same Google account that paid Jio Hotstar. Once done, go to the Payments or Bank Accounts section. Make sure to check the exact card or UPI ID tied to the subscription so you don't disable the wrong flow. You need clarity before changing auto-renewals, otherwise you might interrupt unrelated payments, so confirm the method. Then move straight to linked apps and subscriptions. You'll now navigate subscriptions. From Payments and Subscriptions, pick Automatic Payments to see services with recurring charges. Once there, scroll to Jio Hotstar or Jio Cinema. These entries show the billing frequency and next charge date. Tap the service to view details, then choose Cancel Subscription, turn off Autopay, or Remove Payment Method. Use the option that stops recurring authorization. Confirm any prompts. Make sure to read the confirmation text, because you finish by verifying. Check Google Pay notifications and your email for a confirmation that Autopay is disabled. Once done, monitor the next scheduled billing date to ensure no charge posts. If a payment still posts, immediately note the transaction ID and contact Google Pay support. Also contact Jio Hotstar support for a refund or clarification. Make sure to keep screenshots and timestamps. This speeds resolution. Finally, if you want to resubscribe or change the payment method, return to Payments and Subscriptions and update settings.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.